can't just buy all that gorgeous hardware and just hide it behind some thick metal. It's like sacrilege. This is the View 300 MX mid-tower case, the perfect case to show off your hardware in style the way it should be. The View 300 MX comes in at 505mm high, 230mm wide, and 506mm deep. Comes in a black or snow version, so your PC case can suit whatever aesthetic you're dreaming up. It also features a clear 4mm thick tempered glass panel on the left-hand side, so you can gawk at all your impressive hardware. The two front 200mm and single rear 120mm aRGB fans are PWM, meaning you can control the speed and link them to the temperature of your CPU for optimal air control. And of course, the aRGB is entirely customizable with the use of your motherboard's software or the physical button on the case itself. But I can't go any further, of course, without mentioning the awesome feature that is the interchangeable front panel. Included with the View 300 MX is both a tempered glass version of the front panel and a high airflow perforated metal one. Simply pop on whichever style suits you best, and you're all set. So now let's talk about what kind of hardware you can pop in one of these bad boys. You can run up to a 12-inch by 13-inch EATX size motherboard, as well as a CPU cooler of up to 175mm. Graphics card wise, you can run with a beefy boy of up to 400mm without a reservoir or radiator, or 280mm with one installed. And I mention a reservoir because water cooling is certainly on the tables here. You can run with a radiator of up to 360mm at the front, top, or on the motherboard side. And rounding it out with fans, you can run up to two 200mm fans at the front or one up top. You can also place up to three 120mm fans on the motherboard side. If you can't tell already, the View 300 MX is a case that has a lot of bells and whistles attached, but now we're going to spoil you with even more. You can display your graphics card vertically thanks to our patented rotatable PCIe slots and the riser cable bracket. Additionally, we've covered all your dust filtration, featuring fine magnetic dust filters on the right, top, and bottom. And look, if PSU covers just aren't your thing, we've thought about that too, as the PSU cover is also entirely removable. Finally, the front I/O ports feature two USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C port in a super accessible location. So if you're sick of your case just not looking the part compared to your stunning hardware, then this is the case to end all your worries. Featuring so many options to customize its appearance, you can display your hardware whichever way you want to with the Thermaltake View 300 MX chassis. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you enjoyed the video by leaving a like and dropping a comment down below. Also, feel free to check out any of the Thermaltake videos that may or may not be on the screen around me. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye. How's it going, people? Mr. Worldwide.